Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a transaction failed error when you try to buy a private server. So what you need to do here first is to open up a Roblox on browser. Then you need to look for the server that you're trying to go. And then the next step, what you need to do here, you need to make sure to go to servers, and you need to make sure that you not created recently a server, because you can only have one free server, and maybe for that you will be getting error, right? And if it's not the case, then it should be definitely about your age. So as you can see here, this particular game is Jujutsu Shenanigans, is for ages 13 and plus. This means if you set your age to 10 years or less, it can be server can't be created, right? So what you need to do here, you need to go to the gear icon, go to settings, then on your account info, make sure that your birthday is as you can see here, it's older than 13 years old, and also go to parental controls and make sure that you set up allowed experiences 13 plus or all ages, because if your game is 13 plus and you set up a allowed experiences is 9 plus, it will not work and you cannot create a server. So make sure to basically use the just select the right age or older, put the parental pin, change the age, and it should work, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button, subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.